Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
The kids have got me busy, running up and
Yeah.
down. How long ago did you guys been?
Just a minute.
Oh, okay. Yeah, nice. Good, Then try. Yeah, we are live.
Mhm.
It's Sunday, March 3. She's saying thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I do. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, so Dan, you've forgotten how to share your screen?
No.
Yeah, I haven't been able to do anything today, So sad.
Huh?
I haven't been able to do anything today.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah.
Let's see. How about that? Yeah.
Yeah, we can see it.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's see. Yep, got 3 in the backlog.
Yeah.
And then
Uh-oh.
did you added one, right? Mike, yesterday?
Yeah.
The other day?
But that's in the inbox now.
Inbox, yeah, okay. Alrighty.
What with the refactor courses container? Yeah, maybe we can start with 61. Create related artist component.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, and I noticed our PR wasn't much.
Yeah.
The one where we
Federico wasn't.
Yeah, I think he was off.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I think Pete, you can do the honors.
I can do the what?
The honors and merge our.
Sure.
So we don't have to wait here.
Oh, you want to do that? Okay, so you don't want to wait for Federico.
I don't know. Do you want to wait, or maybe we want to?
We can, I think, for this one.
Okay.
It's up to you. So I can merge it in, but
yeah, we can wait. I think we can wait.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want me to pick up the ticket, the next one?
Okay, that's fine. I did the last one yesterday, so.
Mm-hmm. where we are. Okay. So, all right. So it's gonna be this issue of creating related artist component 61. This component. And related artist, just checking where is it on the page even. Oops, yeah. Oh, it's here. Okay. So it's under supported causes. It's gonna be here. Let's get a new. Oops. Related artists. Yes. And it's gonna be really similar to the supported causes actually. Yeah.
Hi, Salman.
Hi.
Hi, welcome. We are just working on a React project. You worked with React before?
It seems like the supported causes is not refactored yet actually to using enzyme. Can you open a ticket? Or wait.
Supported causes.
Oh, wait a minute. Ah, I'm sorry. Yeah. I forgot that
We haven't merged.
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Realize it. So
What happened?
No, it's we haven't merged.
Right.
Related art. So it creates a component. Creates related artists. Oops. Yes. But obviously I need to create a related artist component. You could do this yesterday, right?
Mhm.
Mm, all right. But we
Nice.
don't have any styling, so and we haven't put it in the right place yet.
But
So
I think the description for your test which creates a component without crashing. Maybe it has the text related artist.
yes, not with the text. Yes, thank you, Mike. So in the artist container, it should be here actually. The artist. Mhm. Let's have a look. It's here. You cannot see it, but it's here.
Yeah, we need to add the stealth.
Yes. So what we did last time, I think it was H3. Mhm. Mhm. Checking. Oh. I tricked myself again. Wonderful. Oh, okay. So we have the supported causes, related artists, and the performances here. All good. We will fill it up with supported cause items, related artist items underneath. Once it's those are actually still things we need to create. So we need to have related artist items, I guess, at some point. But it's maybe good to ask Federico. Or related artist items will be coming from, I don't know. So obviously inside of here, there will be multiple like related artists, right? Like the performances.
Yeah.
Like
I think it's. So do we create that issue and maybe want Federico to comment?
Yeah, I think he created quite some tickets already. So let's just go through however it goes and like go through all the created tickets. And I think in the meantime we can figure this out. But let's just do the tickets which are already created.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, that's true. You have a lot of stuff, you know.
Yeah. All right, let's see the Travis stuff.
Travis.
Who's gonna merge it in?
Yeah, I think Dan can merge it.
Yeah.
So we've been having a side chat with Salmon. I don't know if you guys noticed. Yeah.
Oh no, I was.
Yeah, he says he's used Angular and used React like a while ago. Yeah, but we can. And he's asking if we can have a call after this for just to get him up to speed with whatever we're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's saying he's a bit shy. Yeah. Maybe he's afraid of your beards, Dan. Oh, are you not showing them?
No. He cannot he cannot see that now. So
yeah.
Maybe my beard. No, but I'm not as ahead of as Dan.
Yeah. then it's going.
I actually cannot grow as far as then you currently have.
Really?
No, I'm not capable of. It's stops at a certain moment basically, or like really slows down.
So you've tried it?
Yeah, I tried it, but back in the, I don't know, 10 years ago, 8 years ago.
How long did you try?
Ooh, I think it was around 5 months, 6 months.
Okay, that's about how long I've had mine. So.
Yeah,
it was quite long.
Myself, I can't get to any level.
I think, Mike, since you were actually the one opening the code.
I'll
like
check.
Check. It's fine. Yeah. Okay.
Yep, I can review it now.
Cool. So it's Mike. Like the next ticket is the coverall and the code climate. So you opened both of them actually, I think.
Yeah, for code climate. I think those are. I think we'll have to do. Like for code climate, I think we have to figure out if Agile Ventures has an account with Code Climate.
Okay. So that's
that we can
paid.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not specifically paid because this is an open source project.
Okay.
But they want to use their server. They want Agile Ventures GitHub to be connected to their GitHub.
I see. Okay, so let's comment this on the ticket because then Federico knows it.
Yeah.
Can you add this comment to the ticket, please? And we should move back to this from Icebox to, or from backlog to Icebox.
Okay.
Because this is something we cannot do. Yeah. This is something we cannot fix ourselves.
Yeah.
But the other one, the coverall. I see that it's also checkout pricing. Oh, but open source is free.
Yeah, I think Coveralls was the one that we had to link to the Agile Ventures GitHub, right? And then, well, I don't know, maybe both of them.
So there's this you can see on my screen. Maybe I can share this one here.
Oh, sorry, I stopped sharing. Yes.
So so this guy adding coverage reports to React using Coveralls.io. So setting up Coveralls.io. So this one is in Coveralls. I think Coveralls as well. Thank you. You have to you add a repo with Coveralls. This has to be their like Agile Ventures account. We can't just use our account. Then we set up Travis. And then we add D1I Coveralls and all that stuff. This is the package JSON. And this is Travis. And I think that's it. So maybe this is what we need to add to Travis, to the Travis.yml. Thank you.
what I see on Dan's screen is that he can actually authenticate coveralls.
Yeah, I can authorize for organization access because I'm an
nice
organization, but I think that probably something that like I don't know, like maybe Federico should do it as a project owner that way.
Okay.
Like he has that, like if for some reason like whatever, like I don't know, like
yeah, I understand.
Yeah,
sure. Let's add these 2 comments to the tickets and then move back to the Icebox, and then we can pick new ones.
Okay,
that's fine.
But
so we need this. I don't know for that's for coveralls, but what about that code climate?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get my facts right.
Code climate.
So you get your code reporter ID. This is by setting it with code climate, guys. I think it has to be an AV account or something. I don't know.
Code
then
climate.
Okay. Travis CI.
I think code climate is even more strict than coverall, actually.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you install it. Yeah.
No, never mind. All right. It's okay.
Yeah, so maybe we need to comment on that ticket as well.
Absolutely. I will add on the code climbing my comments, and then you can do on
the coveralls.
Okay. I will add Federico as a assigned person to this. So
yeah,
and then it's very fine. I move back yours as well.
Okay.
All right. Next one, add how to review a PR documentation. Who wants to do that? 86.
Yep. Do I do that? So we need to.
How to review.
So yeah, you are sent Federico already. Nice.
Yep. Let's see. Hopefully he's not away for long. So
Yeah.
He will get back to us soon.
Yeah, there's that suggestion that he has.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but in a case that we do this together, we don't even need to do, because we are reviewing as we do, right?
Yes, we do, but what if others are joining the project?
Yeah. Dan, are you doing that? Or I can create a ticket?
Doesn't matter. Like I can.
Yeah, I think you can just go ahead.
Okay. Let's see.
Still have these kids.
Well, yeah.
We should create also a separate markdown file for this as well as it's here, like the championer one, or should we put this in the main README file? What do you think?
I think separate. Maybe we might actually even copy this. We can make a DevDocs folder and
okay.
I don't know. Let's take a look at this. So we got how to review.
Yeah, that's not. It's not really full of info, but yeah.
Yeah, but like maybe we have other stuff. Like this might be a good idea to. Like that way, as your
if you want
documentation builds, like we can keep it all in one place.
I think at first we might just keep it in the main folder, so whenever someone joins, but as soon as actually we have enough people to contribute to this project, I think then it will be clear. So then we can move it to a DevDocs folder, and then everyone will know that it's there. But at first, maybe it's easier just to have it in the main. Oof. Who is the project lead? I know there is a project lead on this.
Rajit. Is it called Rajit?
Yeah, Rajit.
Okay, maybe we should. Is it something that maybe he should make as a decision actually? Later, or we can just do it ourselves now, of course, but then later someone has to give some direction.
Dan, did you create a branch?
No, I did not.
So pull down the latest, right?
Yeah, I pulled the latest.
Okay.
So
I was just waiting for you to say, "Oh shit, I didn't create a branch. I need to earn." What did you do yesterday? On stage.
I forgot. It wasn't a big deal yesterday when I forgot. I just made the branch.
Yeah.
And then I committed all the changes to that branch.
Yeah.
I wasn't too bad. But yeah, it's All right, so git checkout.
I see that you might posted something in the chat. Do you want to add that to the ticket?
I'm not sure. But I think there are some things that, for example, the naming, the naming part where you check whether the file names are consistent and descriptive.
Yeah.
The tests, if the tests are relevant, or I'm not sure what this means. Like the test that test the React framework, this should not be accepted. Then
should I put it in the documentation folder? Or no? I guess that looks like it's got wireframes and that's it. So
yeah, I think it's just it's good enough. Like there is a pitch markdown file also in the main folder. So I think at some point we will move every docs to a certain folder, but by now just let's have them in the main. Like what's that pitch MD actually?
Huh?
What?
There is a pitch.md. Oh, it's empty almost. There's a pitch.md file, like the markdown file in the main folder.
I don't know.
But it's almost empty. I don't even know why we commit that file actually.
What did I just? Oh, it's got a bunch of screenshots. Save that.
Is there a way to review or like view a preview of Markdown? Okay.
Yep.
Cool.
Yeah, you just right click on the file and do preview.
Okay. I know it in Atom, but I didn't know in VS Code.
All right. So you're asking what this pitch?
Yeah. Nothing.
Oh man.
No, it's nothing.
Elixir React. Okay.
I'm wondering if you should have it at all.
Now, how do I change this back? Okay.
Did you just call it how to remove a PR or how to review?
How to review.
Oh, I think your branch.
Huh?
Your branch is named how to remove.
Ah, yeah.
Oops.
And this is when it comes to Git Explorer. So
nice.
I want to you cannot see, guys, but I will.
Yeah, you have to share your screen.
So here we okay. So here we go, Git Explorer. I want to rename branch. while working on the branch. Ta-da! Can you see that?
Hold on, let me see. Git branch
-M.
Oh, wow, that is cool.
Yep, and then a new name.
Can you show him something else so that he sees how cool that came?
What, sorry?
Yeah, I think the ship has sailed. I wanted you to change maybe something else so that Dan could.
Ah, sorry.
Yeah.
I just explore the Git Explorer and then you see.
Yeah. Yeah, it's been shared in the chat.
Yeah.
Salman, you've used the Git Explorer?
It's really.
Oh yeah, I think it's not so clear. Hello.
It sounds like you are, I don't know, like 100 meters away. Maybe not 100 though, like 20. So let's review actually how is it, what's the text inside, because there might be some
Git checkout, yarn test, yarn start. Oops. Oops. Add instructions that you always want to review the files changed.
Okay. To that part, maybe, no? Like the then skip to the reviewing from GitHub, or no?
Do what?
So
delete that? Or
no, just add after it what Federico is saying, no?
Add after?
Like because Federico in the comment mentions to add this detail that whenever you are reviewing the PR, check also what files have been changed, or is it part of the text already?
I think we need to put that in the reviewing. Yeah, in the reviewing from GitHub section. Is that what you're saying? Or yeah. And maybe we could add the screenshot that he's showing here. Yeah. That.
Okay.
Okay. But yeah, let me start at the top. I want to just change everything that says championer1.
Yeah.
First step of plagiarizing, you got to change the name. Every mention.
Yeah. Can you check and search for it?
Huh?
So then you can change them all at once, right?
Yeah. Okay. Control-H. Championer 1 of 2. Replace with a SFN client or Sync for Needs?
Sync for Need, I think.
Look, yeah, nice.
One review by a fellow collaborator.
Mm-hmm.
Extra.
We don't have the database yet, so we can delete that part actually. Or I don't know. You also use yarn and not npm, but
This is weird. So it says git fetch origin. This isn't how we've been doing it.
Mm-hmm.
It's like showing like, so is there a branch already created or whatever, and then they navigate to that, and then like they check out that specific branch from the remote, and then they just run git pull, whereas we do.
Yeah. I think us, we've just been, since the three of us are working on the same thing and we agree that it's okay. I think we've just been merging because you don't need to pull, because you've seen what Peter's done, or you've seen what I've done, or we've seen what you've done. So it's okay just to merge. But other guys, like the branch that we just pushed up, the one that we want Federico to review.
Yeah,
I think he will have to pull it down and just run yarn test and see if everything works out, and then do all the 1, 2, 3s. Yeah, if he could find any issues.
Oh, right. Okay. And check it out. Okay. Once on the PR branch, fetch and merge with git pull. So we need to delete these.
You mean the CDS sets and that stuff? Yeah, probably. Yeah. It might be important later for the backend, I think, but not here.
pd.mix steps.git. Migrate to database and run Fido.
I think we just need to do npm install or yarn install. Salman, I think we can't hear you. I think maybe you're solo. Maybe you need to move closer to your microphone.
So we did the yarn test, yarn install, yarn test right here.
Hello, Salman.
And yarn start.
We can hear you, Solomon, but it's really from distance.
Yeah.
We cannot really hear you. We just hear you from far away.
Can you hear me now?
A bit better, but still.
God damn. Anyway. Never mind.
Maybe you can type in the chat. It's not, you're not very clear. We are struggling to hear, but maybe you can type in the chat. I'm not sure if you can hear me either.
Yeah, I think it's, yeah. Okay. Yeah, back to this. Okay, so CD assets, npm audit. Maybe we can leave it. I don't know. Maybe that serves some goals. I see that if there's any.
Do we have that file like assets?
I don't see any assets. We got node modules.
And everything with, I think everything with Node is handled by the every asset files. It's handled by the Webpack. I don't know. The Webpack. Yeah, Salmon is asking if there is a real need for such a rigid process.
I mean, we're not really going through this process, but
yeah, we don't.
I guess
have
like we do want to make sure that if somebody comes in and like kind of, if they're reviewing on their own or whatever, I don't know. I guess probably not so rigid, but we do need some kind of process. So we just have to, that's the thing, deciding what that process is going to be. But yeah, I guess we do need to check out the branch and then my question is, like, it seems like, so we have these instructions here, we have this list of commands that they run or whatever. And then these instructions are basically going through the same thing. Check out 45 add waffle badges. Pull it and then.
Yeah, probably we don't need then the CD assets and the audit lines, right? Or those two. And also the next one.
Okay.
And also the next one is questionable because it's for Elixir.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Also, after that it's for the Chrome driver. We don't need that. We don't use that.
All right, code analysis tool. Chrome driver.
So I think this is the play. So what you do: git fetch origin, git checkout, git pull, and this is where you run yarn tests, no?
Well, this says you can start the server with yarn start.
Yes.
So we do git pull, yeah, right here. Hold on. Did they ever run the test? Like, now you're ready to run the test by verifying everything is passing. For this, you'll need to run.
I see. Okay, so we just need to delete 3 lines or 4 lines.
And then delete this.
Yeah, those. And yeah.
I don't think we need even line 29. Yeah.
Okay.
So git pull, yarn test, yarn start. Is that what we have here?
Yes, that's correct.
Well, we have git pull, and then yarn install or yarn.
Yeah, you can put it in there. Yeah, elegant solution.
I was just copying what Matt did with the. And then it will start it at what port by default?
80 something.
Let's see.
81.
81. Going from GitHub, next step is to navigate the Synchrony's repo.
Someone is saying that the branch from the too long don't read, differ from the one in the instruction. We need to see.
What line number is the too long don't read?
Sorry, what was Solomon saying? The branch from the TLDR differs from the one in instruction? Oh, like right here? Like this?
Maybe we can use that.
Yeah.
They're replacing everything. Okay.
There is one above as well. Yeah.
Okay. Make sure. Update branch. Update branch.
What's that?
Check to make sure your branch is not out of date with a base branch. If it is, update branch. And then they have. Oh, let me look at their preview. I think this is a.
Okay. Screenshot.
Yeah. Can we just we can probably just leave this the way it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't have anything project specific. I'll just change the if the branch is up to date, it will look like this. Okay, let's just look
what's
at
with the what's the Dropbox thing doing? The Dropbox link?
That's just where they're keeping this PNG or whatever, this image file. You can see it's championer1 update branch.png. So they just have it in a Dropbox. And they've linked to it, yeah. And then if the branch is up to date, it will look like this. That looks fine. With merge pull request blocked because it needs to be reviewed. Click on add your reviews. Assuming you approve. He's taken back to the PR. Yep. Looks good. And confirm.
There are some add waffle badges, championer1 screenshots, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we can just reuse that, you know. It's too much pain to create all that.
Yeah, I mean, I vote do it the lazy way.
we can maybe do the change back to add waffle badges and also change on the top of it. So I know that we changed to the other, but maybe then at least the branch name is okay. Come on.
Well, I mean, but it's easier just to leave it.
Of course, it is easier. Oh, man.
Let's see. All right. What was it? $45 add waffle badges. Oops, I'm trying to edit the wrong thing. All right. All right, so let's go back to the preview mode. Everything green. Confirm. Is there supposed to be instructions here? Oops. Where'd it go? Working through conflict via command line is straightforward using these instructions provided by GitHub. That's supposed to be.
That's okay.
Oh, no. Yeah, command line instructions. Or, well, I don't know. Okay. Cycle through.
Yeah, those file names, mix.block.
Huh?
The file names mix.block.
Yeah.
But I don't think the file names matter.
It's
Do
not. Yeah. Or forked repos. Okay. That's good. So all we need to do is.
But wait. At the bottom. At the bottom, we have still unnecessary lines. You see, in the CDS sets and the instructions. Yeah.
We can run the following commands: git fetch Pedro, git checkout, git pull, cd. Right. Okay.
Because we had other commands too. Yeah. And it's 8081.
Do we need to do open?
No, you need yarn start before.
Yeah, we just need yarn start on line 106.
Right. We don't need this at all, right? So
you can leave the port number if you want to, but not necessary.
I think, yeah, then navigate back to the reviewing from GitHub. Well,
yeah, we can leave it there. Yeah.
What do we have? at the beginning. You're on start. Out. Navigate to, what was it?
8080, 8081.
It was 0.0.0.0.
It's localhost, right?
Localhost? Okay.
Yeah, the same.
Then do we need to do to see? Yeah, maybe we don't need to. I was asking if we need to do.
You were answering your own question.
Yeah, I was asking if we need to do inspect and see if the browser has any errors, but I don't think we need to.
Yeah, that's something I think they want to put, like, that's what they want there actually. All right.
Okay. Let's save that. If usage files changed.
And can we link to? Okay, maybe I can put this. Maybe I can put this link to the Medium thing on the task.
Solomon said, look at line 40.
Yeah, it was before you already fixed that actually.
Oh, okay. So he says you always want to review the files changed. Sorry. Where should we put this about reviewing the files changed? Well, here's files changed.
Well, it's before that. Yeah, okay. After. Yeah, I think after the yeah.
But then, so like, you're looking at the files changed, and you view the diff for those, right? Like, but that's already in here down. Where was it? Yeah, right here.
But these are conflicts.
Oh, conflicts, yeah. That's true. Yep. Yeah, up here, yeah. Okay.
It's before before that section, because here you already had your review as everything was fine or not. But first you investigate if the file changes are okay.
Yeah, that's just immediately when you open the PR up there in GitHub, before even you pull.
Before you pull.
I don't know, but maybe.
So you click on the pull requests tab.
Then you click on the pull request you want to review, and that's okay.
Yeah, and then
you see review required, and that's okay.
Well, we should, yeah, you should do this first. That's the first thing to make sure.
Yeah.
You're up to date, and then if the branch is up to date, it will look like this.
And then. What you need to click on the. I'm just checking now.
What are we?
We need to click on files changed.
Tab.
To review all the changes, and that's when Federico is mentioning the click on the diff settings to choose between a unified and split view to review the code. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, okay.
And that's
so maybe we need these photos.
Yeah.
Okay. We want to put this where, like, all these are, we can just save these to the GitHub repo, right? These images.
Yes.
Like, why? Okay. Well, should we? Yeah, I'll just save them.
Yep. Mm. No, you can copy the image address, I think.
Huh?
You can
GitHub user.
Yeah, I think so. But let's have a look.
GitHub user comment. Oops. We need like a.
Yeah, let's just try first and then. Hmm? Mm-hmm. It's not there, yeah.
How did we display the other ones? Is it the same way?
Yeah.
You don't need the space, maybe.
Yeah, can you try? Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, 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 nice.
Let me change that real quick to match. Oops.
Need to go, guys, in 4 minutes.
Wow. The supermarket is gonna close, huh?
This one?
On the files, changed tab, reveal all file changes. Okay.
And then what you do is you click on the diff settings drop down.
Yeah, to choose the
Oops. Unified.
From deep settings, drop down to choose unified format and then the default split to theta. Yeah, change.
I don't know. Like, is that what the?
I think it's Federico's favorite to change them in a vertical way. But some other guys prefer reviewing side by side. So,
to be honest,
Yeah.
I think it's more visible if you do it side by side. But
Yeah.
yeah, but that's just for guys who want to, guys like Federico.
okay.
Yeah, who love the vertical way.
I don't know. So, should we put it, or? I mean,
Yeah, let's put it in, and then let's whatever. People will always choose their own way, I think. So
yeah.
So it's fine.
Yeah.
We can add and then. Yeah, I think like it's horizontally better. Because on the left you always have what has been removed, and on the right you always have what has been added. Anyways.
Yeah, maybe this is one of the tickets you want Federico to review. Because I think he was so specific with his requests.
Yeah.
Yeah. Matt always says that he'll be off, but then he ends up being online.
What?
Matt always says like, I'm not working Sunday, or I'm not working Friday, I'm not working Monday, but he ends up just being there.
But how do you know he's working actually? He's online, or he?
Yeah, the moment his Slack is on, he's working. There's no way he will not respond when you ping him. Or maybe he's following this video on YouTube while also working.
No, I think he was joined.
Okay. I think he has the laptop disorder, like where you can't stay away from your laptop for an hour. You just start scratching yourself and yeah, feeling itchy. You just have to go. Maybe he may need therapy to overcome.
I don't know. So it's done, right?
Yeah. Well, should we add this stuff in too? These two and this tip.
All right. Yeah, I need to go, but sure. I check what is that actually on the bottom. Let's see. On the plus icon. Oh yeah, that's actually handy. I didn't know that.
What?
You can add part, like if you can add comments to the actual line of code.
Like commenting on a specific line of code?
Yeah.
I think it's... It's a cool thing, you know.
That's really nice. All right, guys, and I think it was a quite huge ticket. Sorry, Dan, that I didn't know is that gonna be that long.
Problem.
Yeah, sure. I think maybe I'll get a very small task to do a PR for.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Sure. Let's. If you want to, Mike, do it, and then if I see it, or Dan can merge it in, and then we can wait for Federico to review the enzyme one and this one as well, if you want to.
Yeah.
It's fine. All right, guys. Thank you, and see you next week.
See you next time.
All right.
See you. Bye bye.
Go on. Okay. You can either provide the single comment or start a review if you haven't yet.
Yeah, maybe we should have mob typed on this one, you know?
Should have what?
Mob typed, like maybe you sharing VS Code and yeah, because the more I see it, the longer it is.
No, I mean, I think we're done. I just wanted to check out, just make sure. Let's see. Just want to make sure I have everything, and then we can add your tip. We will add this.
Thank you.
Where shall we put this? Maybe in the troubleshooting section?
Yeah.
For that link that you posted, should you want to put? Should we put this in the troubleshooting section, or
maybe we can ask for Federico's opinion.
Well, I
maybe
mean,
we can just add it.
We can just add it, and then if
he'll review.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oops. That look good?
Yep.
Make sure that link works. Oops. Where's the troubleshooting part? Oh, wait, here it is. Yeah. Okay, and then Okay. Let me save this. And then do we need to link to it in the README or?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe just have a small comment like how we can review. Yeah. I think you can only link it to the README after it's merged. I don't know. Because that's when we'll get the correct URI from the README. Uh-oh.
Doesn't look like they have it linked in theirs. Yeah, I think I'll just add the file for now and then. Or we just add something at the bottom or something.
Yeah, maybe we just add the file and ask if he wants us to link it from the README. Maybe he'll make that decision for us.
Okay, so yeah, like it had to be merged in before we could get the link, huh?
Yeah.
Could we
Otherwise, we'll be linking to something that doesn't exist.
Yeah, but
Well, it's never mind. Yeah. I think we can just add the link either way. So in case it never mind, it's never seen. That's okay anyway.
I think we can do it.
Yeah, because you know the name of the file, so we can just yeah. I think it makes sense because it will be my same time as, but I don't think in the review the guy who will be reviewing will be able to click on that link and get there. Implementations can take time.
Yeah.
What I came to notice was that they're just as important as the code. If you don't have them, you mess up.
All right. Okay. So we got that saved. All right, I'm gonna commit.
Pull the trigger.
Okay. And then I just do a git push. Or do I go back to my develop branch or push, right? Is that right? You there? Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
And
Hello.
so after I'm on the branch that I created. Do I push this branch or?
Yeah, you just push that branch. I can't see your terminal though. I think it's swallowed by the dark screen. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Normally I just push to my origin, but I saw you guys have been pushing to upstream, so you can do git push upstream that branch.
What's better? Should I push to origin?
Normally that's what I do. Yeah.
Push origin.
Normally I just push to my head and then what's going on?
The application wants to access your private key. Let me see.
So you're using SSH?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, that's not
maybe
right.
Maybe you could just push to upstream like you've been doing. You could cancel and just push to upstream. I think that will work.
Hold on. Let me try one more time.
Normally, I have this rule where I only mess up with my fork and have them added to upstream once they've approved it, so that I don't create extra branches there.
Okay, let's try this again. Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So you create the PR and then we'll let
that automatically does pull request. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna leave that for Federico to review, or you want to review that?
I think we'll leave it for Federico.
Okay.
Yeah. So here we go.
Cool. All right. Done with that one.
Is it created already?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, nice. So I think maybe that's it.
Good for today.
Yeah. I think that's good enough.
Alrighty.
I think maybe after I will pick another ticket to work on.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what.
Yeah, it looks
which one? Is there anything that we can do first? Yeah.
We're getting down to like so there's 8 issues in the inbox. That's it, and 6 in the icebox. So I guess the icebox are issues that we need, like we can't really probably can't do, right? And then
yeah, so maybe we can add the trending artists component list.
Yeah.
Or add trending artist component.
Yeah.
What's on the refactor causes container?
Let's see. Refactor, move, and rename. So after 83, was 83 merged in? No, it's not. 83 is in the icebox.
Okay.
What is 83?
Create containers directory.
So that we could, like, I mean, we could put that in the into the backlog, or like this. Is there some reason it's in the icebox?
I'm not sure. Don't we have a containers? No, we don't. We don't have a containers directory.
No. Yeah, that's what it's saying. Add a containers directory. So that's probably
Yeah,
something that
right.
we could do, and then we can add that to. I don't know if we add that to the backlog or, like we can just do it.
To in progress.
Yeah. All right, but we're done for today, right? Or
Yeah, we're done for today.
okay, so we'll
yeah.
pick that up next week.
Okay. Yeah. So Salmon, thanks for joining.
Yeah, thanks.
We do this every Saturday and Sunday, and just work on this project where we do. It normally starts at 5 p.m. UTC.
Yeah.
And
you're very welcome to join.
Yeah.
Help out on the project.
Yep. Get your hands dirty with stuff. So maybe we can plan on Slack on the call that you want us to have.
Oh.
Yeah.
I think he might have already left. I don't know. It says bye in a group chat.
I think he was saying bye to Peter.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe.
Right.
Or maybe if you watch the recording, okay. Maybe if you watch. Oh, maybe he left. Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm not sure. So maybe that's it.
Alrighty.
Yeah, you saw the chat on Human Connection. Where Robert was speaking about this conference it's not conference in particular, but hackathon in Berlin.
What?
Are you part of Human Connection channel?
No.
Yeah,
I've not joined that one. What's going on there?
I think Robert was saying like they'll be having a Human Connection hackathon in Berlin towards the end of April.
Okay.
And they have a budget to take a few guys there.
Oh wow.
For the hackathon, yeah. So maybe you need to check that out.
Huh. Cool.
Yeah.
Are you going?
Very cool. I don't know. It was just a talk, but if there's a chance, yeah. I don't even have a passport, but maybe.
Yeah, me neither.
You never left Texas.
No. Well, I've left Texas, but I've only left the U.S. once, and that was just to Mexico. So.
The southern border. We're gonna build a wall. Yeah. Yeah, so maybe you can check that out. Something interesting, you know.
All right. Cool.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. So we'll chat during the week.
Okay.
How far did you go with the course, the React one?
I don't know. Let's see. I am. What is it, Udemy?
Yeah, fucking Udemy.
I'm
wow.
about halfway through, I guess.
Yeah, what a genius. How do you watch so fast?
That doesn't mean I understand it. That just means like you get to sit here and press play all day and get done with the podcast.
Yeah. This morning I was just watching one for Webpack.
Section 20. You're watching
Nice.
course or videos?
Yeah, a course for videos for Webpack, and I just ran through it, and yeah, I think I almost finished the whole course.
It was a whole Udemy course on Webpack? Wow.
No, it's in Safari Books Online, you know.
Oh, Safari Books.
Yeah, I got this trial period for Safari Books Online, so I was using it to. Yeah, I was using it to maybe better myself with these things that I don't, and I've never come to understand, like Webpack, and yeah, just the things that do not come close to my things of confidence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
So
You're almost done with that?
yeah, almost. I just got distracted during the day, but if I wasn't, I would have finished it.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Maybe see you next week.
Yep. I'll see you then. All right. Later.
Okay.
Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. You too.